So, Bill, what we got here, man? Tell me something about what we got here, man.
Well, what we have is
this is my brother-in-law, Bill.
what we have is a festivity for Miss Pinky Gibson. She turned a beautiful 71 today, and we all love her so much that we feel that she deserves some praise and some gratitude for everything she did for this family. 71 years. How much we love you. That's what this is. This is a celebration, y'all. So we finna sit back, eat, laugh, and enjoy each other. Wish she was here.
Yeah, but
you know how it goes.
Yeah. Mr. Bantu.
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm wonderful.
How's them trips back and forth to Africa? Every time you call and say, she ain't here, Robert, she over in Africa. So how is it over there?
Phenomenal. I'm telling you, folks are giving away land.
I've heard about this.
Ghana
So where
and Nigeria, they're giving it away.
So they're helping out the people who want to come resettle and whatnot, or help make the situation better?
Yes, because those folks need to be re-educated. I mean, I tell you, go to a department store, all you see is white dogs. So wait, hold up. Where's your black dog? Oh, they won't buy him. Are you kidding me? You want your child to grow up to be looking like this? Well.
Yeah. Okay, that part, y'all hear that? They brainwash and they need to put it.
Yeah, we gotta go over there and get them straight. Because they back in the 40s.
Yeah, I've watched enough YouTube stuff and seen how the colonial people treated the people over there. They was give you the book and take your land, and then work you as a slave, and they leave, they take it all.
And now the Chinese, boy, I'm glad that they. Well, I'm not happy about those folks that are dying from the virus, but that let us know that the universe is saying China got to get out of Africa. They don't need to be there, you know, because they're not gonna mess up our people. They're not gonna take from. That's what they're doing.
They come in to snatch it. I seen them in the Caribbean doing it.
They want to go in there and interracial with the children. So the children that are born from African and Chinese will be the new leaders. They got a 500 plan for us.
Oh yes.
500
to take over.
To take Africa over.
How you feel about Australia burning up?
Australia?
Yeah.
It's sad.
It's sad, but the same way they came over there and took over the original people.
That's right.
Killed them all off and interbred them to make them lighter.
Right.
And I watched a lot of stuff and I'd be like, my goodness, really? Right. And people be making you afraid of the black man when you should be afraid of the other man.
That's right.
Because they'll beat you in the paperwork and everything.
And the really sad thing is they in a minority.
Yeah, and they coming in and taking over and running things, and they the minority. You know, I watched a lot of hidden color videos. I don't know if you're familiar with that stuff, and I'm just like,
part 5.
And then when they break that stuff out, and then if you think about something too long, well, research it, look it up, and you'll see if it's true or not, and you'll be like, oh.
Yeah,
the man wasn't lying to me when he said this. There it is right there. It's hidden, but it's right there in front of you, maybe in different language, but it's right there. I'd be like, my goodness. And you here you are testifying to it because you've seen it in person. Yeah. Okay. Enough for a Black History moment. Right, we're going to move on. Let's get this going, Miss Pinky. Y'all going with happy birthday on this?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's do birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Yes.